Hi, my name is Terrence, and welcome to my AI adventure. So, I'm just going to be going over a few of the things that I learned while taking AI class. So, what is AI? Here's my intro. I think AI is computers mimicking human intelligence. Us as humans, we test the AI, and then the AI tries to complete it. Pictures, music, code, answers can all be generated by AI, and I bet more things to come in the future will also be generated by AI. Um, One thing to understand about AI, some of them use large language models. These do not simulate intelligence, but the human thought. So if an AI is kind to you in its response or it shows emotion, then it's more likely using an LLM to appeal to you. So any chatbot or AI pretending to be a character is going to be using an LLM, or else it would just spit out a robotic response. AI can also generate music. Um, In this example, I had AI generate me a song about NBA player Russell Westbrook being on the Miami Heat NBA team, which is a team he's not currently on and never was on. But for my AI, I just made it make up this imaginary scenario.
Down in Miami, where the sun sets low, Russell's found a home where the palm trees grow.
I'll stop right there because that is a pretty long song. But yeah, as you heard, it mentioned Russell Westbrook, it mentioned the Miami Heat, and then it even mentioned palm trees, which I never mentioned palm trees at all. But it understood that in Miami, palm trees are pretty abundant there, so it included it. Up next, which you probably already got a peek of, is AI images. You can get AI to generate pictures for you. And these can be familiar things like Pokemon on the right. I'm pretty sure most people are familiar with Pokemon, or you can get it to generate brand new ideas. For this one, I asked AI to give me a mythical journey. As you can see, there's two people hiking up to what looks to be a big stone woman on a ball. So pretty mythical. Um, AI avatars. So an AI avatar is going to be this guy in the bottom left. So it will be a guy talking for you, and then essentially he represents you, the creator, whoever created this AI video, which was me in this case. So he's representing me. I don't have to be on screen, but this AI avatar can be on screen for me. Up next is AI programming. If you're a coder like me, then you probably ask AI to generate something. If you ever get stuck, maybe some logic's just not making sense, and you ask AI to spit it out. It sometimes will return the right code, but in most of my experience, it's returned some pretty old and now unused methods. Um, so in these pictures on the right, the top is AI, the bottom is me. I asked the AI to please run a t-test on this data set for me, which um, tests machine learning and asks a machine to predict what's going to happen in the next array of items. So it's trying to predict what numbers are going to pop up in the data set. And as you can see, the AI never ever uses math, and it just uses built-in .t-test. But I ran both of these, and the answers were completely different. As for me, I just import the train test split because it's an import instead of a dot. It has its own import now, and I fit my model, and I get my array and my predictions. I'd say my way was faster, but I guess AI wasn't completely incorrect here. It was just using an older method. AI documents. AI can generate you documents like PDFs, Excel files, Word files. And um, in this, I had AI generate me an AI story. Welcome back. Okay, so here's that AI story I was speaking of. I don't know why, but every time I open up a link, it bugs my recording. But yeah, it's just a whole bunch of AI generated text of Transformers in the Godzilla and Kong universe. So it's a crossover, and I just had the AI generate me a quick 3-page story. Back to our slideshow now. Next up is AI vision. So using our camera phones and sometimes even video, AI can literally see. and describe what it's seeing. Here's my conversation with ChatGPT. I took a picture of the shoes I was wearing, and it was able to recognize what type of shoe it was, the Air Jordan 12s, and even the colorway, which is taxi. And then it also asked me if I'm a fan or a collector of Jordans. See, again, the AI is trying to appeal to me, meaning this is a LLM, sorry, a large language model, because it's trying to appeal to the human, not just giving me an answer, but trying to appeal to me. Introduction to reinforcement learning. What is this? It's getting an AI to learn by setting it in a certain environment with a mission in mind. You're telling the AI to do something, and as it's trying to figure out the best way to do it, it's running into walls, making mistakes, but then it's learning. So, what are the components of this reinforcement learning? Your agent, which is what your AI or whatever you're using, the environment, where is the AI, where is all this happening? The state. The state is where we are at currently. If the AI has moved one space, then that's the new state. If it moves two spaces, then it's another new state. Whatever the AI does, it becomes the next new state. The reward is what is propelling the AI towards doing anything. What will the AI get? You got to set an incentive. And the actions is the possible moves the AI can take, whether that be moving, like I was saying before, or staying would also be another action that the AI could take in our imaginary reinforcement learning. AI video. Here we are, we're back with the avatar guy. This whole thing is completely AI generated, even the script, and the voice is also AI. I'll play a little bit of this.
Ah, Pokemon, the game where you, a 10-year-old, are trusted with powerful creatures capable of causing natural disasters. What could possibly go wrong? In all seriousness, though, the Pokemon franchise has captured the hearts of fans worldwide with its lovable creatures, exciting battles, and endless adventures. From Pokemon.
So this is an AI reviewing Pokemon. As you can see, we have the AI avatar, and then this video is AI generated. On to my next slide. What was my submission for my AI, at my actual AI business? What after we've gone through all of these AI methods, what would I do with AI? Now that I know so much, it would be an app where an AI will return you easy foods to make Monday through Friday for you and your family. It's called Dinner Time, and you could even choose vegan options, or if you are on want to be under or over certain calories, you can choose that as another option, or whatever diet you follow. It would offer the prices off of the storefronts and where to collect all this stuff. So it'd probably submit this to you maybe every Saturday so you'd have time to go shopping and therefore making healthier meals and having healthier families. But yeah, this has been my AI adventure, and this has been most of what everything that I've learned.